Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open youtube.com in an incognito window in Google Chrome using command prompt. Open command prompt as an administrator, so go to search and type in command. Select run as administrator. If you get a pop-up, click yes. Now type start, S-T-A-R-T, space, Chrome, C-H-R-O-M-E, space, slash, incognito, I-N-C-O-G-N-I-T-O, space, HTTP, colon, slash, slash, YouTube, youtube.com, and press enter. As you can see, as soon as I do that, it opens youtube.com in an incognito window in Google Chrome. So that is how you open youtube.com in an incognito window in Google Chrome using command prompt. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.